welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a voiceover video just because if I didn't, this video was going to be so long. But today we are doing this awesome pumpkin face. It's actually like 3/4 of the way pumpkin face, but I thought it looked really cool and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. So I'm just going to kind of speed through this. You see me there, I did an outline with a brow pencil first to kind of map out where I wanted the pumpkin to go and where I wanted the regular skin to go. I'm just putting down some foundation right now with a kabuki brush and then putting on some concealer. This is going to be our regular side of the face. I also filled in my eyebrow and then set everything with powder. For the foundation, I used, of course, L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, like I always do, and then I set it with a Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. So you can see here, I'm just putting a little bit of a light brown color in my crease just to create a little bit of definition there, and then I go in with a little bit darker of a brown. So now we're going to go in with the James Charles and Morphe eyeshadow palette and use those 3 shades there that I'm pointing to, and we're just going to fill this entire area with those colors, just kind of dabbing into each one a little bit so we can get a little bit more than just blank orange or blank yellow. I just wanted to create more dimension that way. I soon realized that after I started filling in the orange that I needed to map out exactly where the triangle eye was going to go, the nose was going to go, and the mouth was going to go, because there was no reason to put orange in those spots if we were just going to cover it up with black. So I kind of jumped ahead right there just because the orange was taking me quite a little bit of time to make it super opaque. So that's why I kind of jumped ahead there. So now we're just basically just going over it again to make sure that it's super solid and there's no skin peeking through. So now I'm going into the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette and going into those 2 colors there. I don't know what the names are, I apologize for that, but I am basically layering those on top of what we've already done on the orange side. Again, just creating more layers, more texture, and just kind of making it come to life a little bit more. So with those same colors, I am now doing these stripes, and the stripes took me a pretty long time to figure out. I had to redo them a couple times just because I was starting to look like a basketball and not a pumpkin. So after I have the lines pretty much done, I'm using a bigger, fluffier brush and putting yellow eyeshadow in between the lines to create more of dimension and more. It's supposed to look more spherical. If you put a lighter shade in the middle and then a darker color on the outside, it'll give the illusion of a more rounded effect. And that's what I'm trying to achieve here. So the next step is obviously black eyeliner. This is the Sex Kitten Tarte Felt Tip Eyeliner. And I'm basically just going over all of those lines that we did previously and then filling in the eye section, the nose section, and then the mouth. Because I didn't want to waste the liquid eyeliner, I went in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean to fill in those areas, and it was a little bit too shiny, like you can see, so I ended up going over it with black eyeshadow in a little bit. Eventually I ran out of this eyeliner, as you'll see in about 1 second. Yep, okay, yeah, I ran out. So I had to use the Maybelline Blackest Black Gel Eyeliner to fill in the rest, and I think that worked just as well. So now I'm adding a little bit darker of an eyeshadow into the corner of my eye. I accidentally got some in my eye, so that explains why I react like that. My apologies. Now I am taking a darker brown eyeshadow to go around the edges of where the pumpkin meets the regular skin, just to further the illusion, again, that the skin is cracking and that the pumpkin side is taking over. It kind of just makes it stand out a little bit more. So now I'm applying some false lashes. These are the Cake Face Beauty Lion-Hearted Lashes. And finally, the last step is putting the black eyeliner and the black eyeshadow on your lips. And that is it. That is the end of this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look. I had so much fun creating it for you guys. And please let me know in the comments down below what kind of looks you guys would like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And I will see you guys in my next video.